Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spicy kimchi udon. First, gather all your ingredients, including a good quality kimchi, thick udon noodles, and any protein you like, such as thinly sliced pork or tofu. Next, prepare your vegetables by slicing them uniformly so they cook evenly. Finally, measure out all your sauces and seasonings into small bowls to ensure a smooth cooking process. Now, let's build the flavor base for our udon. Begin by sautéing minced garlic and grated ginger in a hot pan until they become wonderfully fragrant. Then, add your prepared kimchi and cook it down for several minutes, allowing its flavors to intensify. Finally, stir in a generous amount of gochujang and gochugaru to achieve that perfect level of spicy heat. It's time to bring everything together. Add your udon noodles and a flavorful broth to the pan, simmering until the noodles are perfectly tender and have absorbed some of the delicious sauce. Next, incorporate your cooked protein and any quick-cooking vegetables, allowing them to heat through. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh scallions and a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil for an extra touch. For a personalized touch, feel free to adjust the spice level by adding more or less gochujang and gochugaru to suit your preference. You can also enhance the richness of your dish by topping it with a perfectly fried egg or a slice of melty cheese. For an effortless cleanup after your delicious meal, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.